Welcome to Bloggingify guys, and if you are looking for Piotnet Addons Pro plugin for your WordPress website, so in this video I will guide you how you can purchase it from Bloggingify store and how we can deliver to on your WordPress website. So let's get started. So I will provide you the direct product link in the description box, so just check the description link and you will redact this type of thank you page. And here you can see some details about this product. So let me explain you. Use it for one domain, update validity, lifetime auto update from your WordPress dashboard. Installation manually we will install, that means you have to share your website temporary access with us, and we will install your product in a few minutes with our original license key so that you will receive all the future updates. Okay, so if you want to purchase this one, so just click on add to cart button. Now click on checkout button. Now here you have to fill your billing information, that is your first name, last name, add other information, and select your payment method and confirm your payment. After the payment confirmation, you will redirect this type of thank you page, and here you can see a download button. So just click on it and you will receive our PM contact support there. So just send your website temporary access with us and we will install your plugin in a few minutes with our original license key. That's a simple process. So I hope guys you love this video, and if you have any doubt you can do a comment in comment section. And once again, thank you so much for watching this video.